Kalugendeko mu Parliament y'eggwanga Uganda. Omubaka Ibrahim Ssemuju Nganda aleesewo olutalo mu Parliament nga yeebuuza ekigambo nepotism kitegeeza ki. Nti gavumenti ya Museveni ebadde erwanyisa ekigambo nepotism bw'engeyogera ku bantu abalala abali mu gavumenti. Nti naye ate ye famire ye yonna agitadde mu gavumenti. Mukyala we minisita wa byanjigiriza, mutabani we presidential advisor, mukoddomi we presidential advisor, muganda we presidential advisor. Honorable Ssemuju Nganda yeebuuza famire ya Mwami Museveni erina njawulo ki ku bannayuganda abalala, kya muwendo ki kyerina okusinga bannayuganda abalala. Alyoke akozesa nepotism okusiba ku bannayuganda abantu abatali qualified, abantu abatalina bisaanyizo kubeera mu bifo bye balimu, naye abateekewo kubanga baganda be, kubanga baluganda be, kubanga mukyala we. Honorable Ssemuju Nganda agamba nti mukyala wa Museveni ovale bamulonda ku kifo kya minisita wa education tajjangako mu Parliament wadde mu kakiiko konna tikati yaba minisita ki. Tagenda ku ground, tajja mu Parliament, abeera mu State House ever. Oyo minisita ki? Anategekera ki abayizi oba anategekera ki ebyenjigiriza ebyensoma nga tamanyi biki bifa mu masomero, tamanyi biki bifa mu bitundu awaka Parliament gye bakiikirira. N'agamba obuzibu bwa Uganda okubanga eri mu kudda mabega ye Mwami Museveni okozesa nepotism okukwata ab'Enganda bakono ab'emikwano n'abagonnomola mu gavumenti ye. Kino nno kitabudde abaka ba NRM era ne bavuma ne speaker Tayebwa nga bamugamba naddala Ssaabaminisita Nabbanja nti weekobanja ne Ssemuju Nganda okusuula gavumenti yaffe. Kino kijje speaker Tayebwa mu mbeera n'agamba no, never say it again, nti neekobanja okusuula gavumenti yammwe wano mu Parliament nze nkulirawo, era buli omu kobe Ssaabaminisita kobaani mu Parliament wano nze ninawo obuyinza, mukomye okuntiisatiisa mbugenda kusuula gavumenti yammwe nga nkozesa Ssemuju Nganda. Olutalo lubadde lw'amaanyi era minisita wa NRM n'avaayo n'abuukira speaker ne Ssemuju Nganda ng'agamba nti muli mugamba Museveni ayingizza famire ye mu gavumenti, mwali ludda wammwe Museveni ne famire ye bwe baakwata emmundu ne bagenda mu nsiko ne batta bannayuganda mbu bafuna emirembe. Bw'obanga temwakyogera luli nti nepotism, Museveni akutte emmundu si nepotism ne baganda be okugenda mu nsiko okutta bannayuganda, tikati mwogerako byaki. Olutalo lw'amaanyi, simanyi kirunaggwa kati naye kansuke nkutwale mu Parliament olabe olutalo gye lutandiseemu ne gye luggweredde. Waliwo omuliro ogutokota tugenda kuguwulira leero.
Mr. Speaker, thank you very much. Mr. Speaker, yesterday I presented a motion and I lost. Since I am a Democrat, I want to join colleagues in thanking the President because Mr. Speaker, the President had said that at 75 you are really retired. But since at 78 he is still able and to deliver a State of Nation address, we need to thank him. My colleague, the Honorable Aisa Gawa, thanked him for not sleeping, for hard work. She forgot that the President has sacrificed his entire family. The wife is a Minister for Education. The son is a senior presidential advisor. The son-in-law, Mr. Audrey Kroawogo, is senior presidential advisor on export. His brother, General Salim Saleh, is a senior presidential advisor. Some children, directors. Really, we can't thank this family enough.
Achina.
This kind of sacrifice, Mr. Speaker, our president is the only one who's doing this on the continent. You appoint your wife a minister, your brother a presidential advisor, your son a presidential advisor, your son. Point of order.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I have been here in this parliament for now 2 years. I have followed the Honorable Ssemuju debate. I have followed him when he brings a point of order or procedure, and I've been listening carefully. Now, my observation is that whenever he comes up to speak, when you look around, you'll find some of our colleagues who are, because we take our lunch and then come here, and some of us are maybe sleepy, and that is the time when he stands up to speak.
You want to sleep?
Honorable Speaker, Right Honorable Speaker, my observation now is that everyone is alert. Is Honorable Ssemuju in order to bring his energizer at a time when everyone is alert? I thank you.
Kindly proceed and conclude. But the clarification I want to make, I chair this house, and I never see members of parliament sleeping in this house. So I don't want it to remain on record that members go eat, come
and
sleep in parliament. No. That's a very, very wrong mistake.
You sleep in parliament.
I agree with you, Right Honorable Speaker, but it was just a simple medical observation. I thank you.
You want to sleep?
Please, colleagues, I just want to inform you, colleagues, anything that can put the image of this house into disrepute will not be tolerated here. Yeah, so that is totally wrong to say members go eat and come here
sleep
in the house. So please, Honorable colleague, withdraw that statement.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker. I withdraw.
Thank you.
Good boy.
Thank you.
Good boy.
Thank you. So, Honorable Ssemuju.
Mr. Speaker,
conclude, Honorable.
I beg, since I am a whip and I'm being interrupted by an MP who said he wants to sleep. Mr. Speaker, I need to be helped.
An MP wants to sleep.
Whether nepotism has changed the meaning. That you can have the entire family so special that special presidential advisors are picked there. Ministers of education who can't attend parliament and can send their juniors to attend every now and then are picked from that family. Mr. Speaker.
Honorable Ssemuju, there is a language we agree to use here. Okay? Honorable Peter, please. Honorable Peter, kindly take your seat. Right, Honorable Prime Minister, we've been handling this issue before. So I know, that's why I'm saying Honorable Peter should sit. We said here that the ministers we approve are ministers of state and cabinet ministers. So let us use the language that is standard to avoid, reactions. Yeah.
Mr. Speaker, I am sorry, the Minister of State.
You see, please, you people, excuse me. Everyone in this house, whether you're Prime Minister, whether you're who, you're under the authority of the Speaker.
And I will later speak.
I don't want to be disturbed when I'm in my seat here. Right, Honorable Prime Minister, I need peace.
Okay? Takwa respect.
Your members are the ones interrupting the member.
Speaker, I got respect.
And what you forget is simple. When you interrupt a member and he switches on again, he gets a fresh time. Because me as a presiding officer, I go with the microphone getting automatically off. I don't have a timer here. The timer is automatic. So when you interrupt a member and he resumes, he gets free time. So it's tell your members not to interrupt the member. He finishes. I'm not giving him any more time. It's your members. So I don't want your statements of you people you want to bring down our government. No. Please. I want peace. I want peace here, okay? Anyone here, please, anyone, if you're not satisfied, please. Honorable Ssemuju.
Prime Minister,
Mr. Speaker,
Speaker.
I need to be helped to understand whether nepotism has changed the definition. That you can staff your government with the family members and then you walk to Parliament of Uganda representing all constituencies and you still want to speak as a head of state. What is it that is so special with this family? That everybody in the family, either a presidential advisor, a minister, a commander in the military.
Point of order.
Mr. Speaker, sir, first of all, due respect to Honorable Ssemuju Nganda. He's 12 years in Parliament. I am 12 years in Parliament. I would like to ask and seek clarification as he raised a point of order. Whether there's any provisions of the laws of Uganda which bar His Excellency the President from appointing anybody who work in his government. Number two, Mr. Speaker, is talking about the family. Mr. Speaker, when the President and General Salim Saleh picked up guns to fight for the liberation of this country, Mr. Speaker, I'm raising a point of order. When General Yoweri Kaguta Museveni and the senior presidential advisor on defense picked up guns to go and fight to liberate this country, where was the question of nepotism at that specific time? General Kainerugaba, Honorable Ssemuju is talking about, is a serving soldier who joined willingly. He joined the forces willingly. Is Honorable Ssemuju Nganda in order to continue insinuating, demeaning the personality of Yoweri Kaguta Museveni in this Parliament? Is in order, Mr. Speaker, sir?
Thank you. Thank you.
Kansoke mbuze nga fala. Mwai Museveni we yagenda mu nsiko okulwana. Mukyala we yaliyo mu nsiko yalwana. Kimu. Mutabani we yaliyo mu nsiko yalwana. Bibiri. Mukoddomi we Mr. Rwabogo yaliyo mu nsiko yalwana. Bisatu. Ekyokuna njagala mbuze. Mwai Museveni ne muganda we Salimu Sale. Olutalo lubalwana babiri. Baaliyo babiri bokka mu nsiko. Nti n'olwekyo buli eky'eggwanga balina kirina kuba kikwatagana ku bo babiri ne famire. Tewaliyo baana balala baali mu nsiko eyo baakuba mmundu. Bo bali luddawa. Lwaki tukiteeka ku babiri nti baakwata emmundu ne balwana? Kyokka balwana babiri bwe bati bokka. Tewaliyo balala balwana. Bo bali luddawa. Ludde mu Parliament.
I guided when we were starting the debate. Honorable colleagues, can we listen to one another? Can we have order? I guided when we were starting the debate. I said the debate is about the content of the speech of the president. I guided. Okay? Now, I don't want to be a teacher when I'm presiding. Yeah, because we are all understanding people, we all got, So, let us debate the content of the speech, okay? So, I'm moving to Honorable Susan Amero. Because I'm seeing it's going to be an exchange between some people. Let's move on. Yeah. Honorable Susan Amero.
Thank you, Right Honorable Speaker.
Okay. Mirimu Parliament Gye Ggwanga Uganda. Olwaleero nnaku z'omwezi 6 mwezi gwa 7 mwaka 2023. Honorable Ssemuju Nganda abadde n'ensonga ye nti lwaki family emu ebeera mu bifo by'obukulembeze byonna tewaliyo mirimu mirala gye bayinza kukola era balina kuba mu gavumenti ate se batandikawo zi business bagende mu kikubo bakole business Lwaki family yonna ogikwata n'ogibuliza mu gavumenti? Ekyo si nepotism, si kweyagaliza okwo. Ano kino kye kitabudde abaka ba NRM ne bagamba nti no. Nedda ssebo, togamba ku gavumenti yaffe, togamba ku pulezidenti waffe, togamba ku famire gwe Ssemuju Nganda Sirika. Omusajja alisana okugamba nti Ssemuju Nganda byayogera tebiri mu magezi, buli lwabyogera nga palamenti yeebaka. Bino nno bitabudde sipiika mubiwulidde. Sipiika n'agamba no ssebo, toteekawo likodi nfu ku palamenti nti buli babaka palamenti bwe balya emmere bwe bakomawo beebaka bwebasi, meaning tebalina kye bakola, tebalina kye balowooza, baba beebase nga bali mu tro. Era Ssaabaminisita Alobina Nabbanja abadde atandise obwama. Sipiika tayebwa, oyagala kusuula gavumenti yaffe ng'olina Ssemuju. Sipiika bimutabudde ne bimujja mu mbeera n'agamba no saagala kunda ekikyalinga, muleme kuwoza mujja kusuula gavumenti yammwe, byenkola mbimanyi era mbadde mbikola, n'olwekyo musirike. Wano nze nannyini buyinza, nze nfugawo, kobeere Ssaabaminisita, kobeere pulezidenti, kobeere first lady, kobeere army commander, wano nze nfugawo, nze ninawo obuyinza. Tayebwa webadde obuyinja baaba, bajja kukoba osaagane Museveni. Honorable Ssemuju Nganda alina kyalabisizza, yo gwe kwakulabisa amazima agaliwo, kati gwe ne weesootinga naye nga yaabirabisizza. Babadde bali mu kwebaza Museveni okwogera kwe mu State of the Nation address, baali basoma budget nga yeebaza, naye amwebaziza mu Labadaba style nti amwebaza okuba nti musajja w'amaanyi era ne famire ye y'amaanyi yanjawulo, okubanga gwe okwata famire yonna ogiteeka mu gavumenti bwe vu nga twali mulala n'omu gokkiriza, ola famire nebeera buli wamu nga gavumenti famire ye eriyo. Ekyo akimwebazizaako nti musajja naggwano okusacrificinga famire ye n'agiteeka mu byobufuzi tasangika. Ku lukalu lwa Africa Museveni yekka yaliko akola ekyo. Abadde akiina osaagana abannayuganda gwa mukiinyi. Musizaamu eggaali awo. Kale mbaagala nnyo baganda bange, mwebale kubaako, mwebale kutwagala, mwebale kutugoberera, mwebale eva kubanga mulaba bye tukola. Mukama nsaba bankuumire. Mweraba.